Hey folks, it's Mark from Harmonics, where we give you the knowledge to get good on guitar, and today we're going to be learning tapped harmonics. Tapped harmonics are an extremely cool little mechanic that you can add into your playing. It's actually not as hard as you would think to do. We're going to explain it in this lesson. Let's get into it. We're going to put our first finger on fret 5 on the D string. It's a G. And we're going to be playing with our first and third finger. We're only going to be playing these frets. We're going to be playing 5 and 7 on the D and 5 and 7 on the G. That's it. Okay, at one point we'll bend this 7 up, but that's it. Okay. Okay, but we're going to tap harmonic these notes. We're going to create tap harmonics from them. Okay, so how do we do a tap harmonic? Well, all you need to understand is the basic principle that the guitar begins again at fret 12. Okay, this guitar has 24 frets. Okay, so on fret 12 we have an octave, and on fret 24 we have an octave. Here's an E, then we go up one octave. There's E there, and up another octave. We have another one at the top. Okay, so if you understand that principle, so it's like the bottom of the piano, the middle of the piano, the top of the piano. So what we're doing here is we're playing, but we're going to be tapping the octave up of these notes. Okay, so this is the golden rule, if you like, for tap harmonics. Find the note that you want 12 frets higher. Okay, now it's not quite the same as when you're finger tapping. You're not kind of tapping your finger down and pulling off to create almost like a pick effect with your finger. What you're basically doing is you're hitting down and immediately removing your finger from the fret itself, the metal fret. So it's kind of like this, watch. There, I'm just doing that to sound the note, okay? Like that. If we're going 5, 7 on the D, it would be. So left and right hand coordination is important here, because as you play a new note and you want to tap it in real time, you're going to have to do it at the same time as your left with your right hand, okay? So we're going 5, 7, tap, tap up here. So it's fret 17 and fret 19 on the right hand side fret edge of those frets. So like that. And then what we're doing is we're doing exactly the same thing, but the same string down. So we don't need to change the frets, which is very useful. So we're staying on 17 and 19. So notice I'm kind of going tap, tap, tap like that. It's a quite a strong kind of movement. Then what we're doing is, in order to create the bend sound, we need to tap again and then bend the string from down here. Okay, so and then we go back. Okay, so the whole thing will look like this. So I hope you enjoyed that and you learned how to do some tapped harmonics, and you start integrating them into your own playing right now. Interesting thing about this is it gives you an extra sound that you can use, and it sounds really, really cool because you can hear the original tone and you can hear the upper octave tone combined together, and it gives us this lovely kind of texture in the sound. It's a very, very unique technique. So if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you never miss an upload. If you're interested in tapping on the guitar, there's another tapping video I recommend here. And as with all our lessons, just take it slow. Maybe do it to a metronome if you want to create some rhythm with it all. But at the end of the day, this is a technique. You just have to keep doing it until you get it right. You're going to find sometimes that you tap and it doesn't make a sound, or maybe it makes a kind of strange sound. And other times you tap and you get this beautiful, clear, whistling, tapped harmonic sound from it. It's just going to be trial and error until you get it right. But I think if you follow the guide in this video, you should be okay. So good luck with this. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.